The Sako Trg is a bolt-action sniper rifle line designed and manufactured by the Finnish firearms manufacturer, Sako of Riihimäki. The Trg-21 and Trg-22 are designed to fire standard .308 Winchester /7.62 x 51 mm NATO-sized cartridges, while the Trg-41 and Trg-42 are designed to fire more powerful and dimensionally larger .300 Winchester Magnum, 7.62 x 67 mm, Magnum and .338 Lapua Magnum, 8.6 x 70 mm, Super Magnum cartridges. They are available with olive drab green, desert tan/coyote brown, dark earth or black stocks, and are also available with a folding stock. The sniper rifles are normally fitted with muzzle brakes to reduce recoil, jump, and flash. The Sako factory Trg muzzle brakes vent sideways and are detachable. Generally Trgs are outfitted with a Zeiss or Schmidt and Bender PM2 telescopic sight with fixed power of magnification or with variable magnification. Variable telescopic sights can be used if the operator wants more flexibility to shoot at varying ranges, or when a wide field of view is required. In October 2011, Sako introduced the Sako Trg M10 Sniper weapon system. It was designed as a user-configurable multi-caliber modular system and does not share its receiver and other technical features with the rest of the Trg line. History. In 1989 Sako Limited, Riihimäki, Finland, introduced the Trg-21 precision rifle as a sniper rifle model chambered in .308 Winchester cartridge. A more hunting-oriented variation of the Trg was later introduced as the Trg SM995, which uses the same receiver, short action, and different bolt handle, as the Trg-21 with the exception that the receiver is open at the top rather than possessing a cartridge ejection port on the right side as found with the Trg-21. Subsequently, a second sniper rifle with a 20mm, 0.79 in, longer scaled-up magnum action emerged as the Trg-41 in order to take advantage of the .338 Lapua Magnum cartridge. Similarly, a hunting variant of this model, again using the same different bolt handle, and with the receiver open at the top was introduced as the Trg SM995 Mag in Magnum calibers up to .338 Lapua Magnum. Even though the Trg-21 obtained its origins from the successful Sako TR6 target rifle, the 4.7 kg, 10 pounds 6 ounces, Trg-21 was designed as a result of a thorough study of sniper requirements. With the introduction of the Trg bolt action, Sako moved away from the modified 2-lug Mauser bolt actions, favored during the past, to an action with a symmetrical 3-lug bolt of 19 mm, 0.75 in, diameter, displaying a locking surface of 75 mm2, 0.116 in2. The evolution of this design continues to the present and can be found in Sako's hunting rifle offerings, the Sako 75 and the Sako 85. To make the Trg system more suitable for military use, Sako upgraded and improved the Trg-21/41 design in the late 1990s. Some Trg accessories like the muzzle brake and bipod, that lets the rifle swivel or hang near its bore axis offering a more stable shooting position with large and heavy aiming optics mounted, were also improved. This resulted in the Trg-22/42 rifle system. Around 2011 an American Sako vendor commissioned a special limited production run of Trg-22 sniper rifles chambered in .260 Remington cartridge and started offering them as of May 2011. In 2013 the Trg system was further upgraded and improved based on customer requirements. The upgrades consist of mounting improved recoil pads to reduce felt recoil, a newly constructed bolt release and a new fully adjustable 2-stage trigger mechanism that features a new more ergonomic ambidextrous safety lever, and a trigger guard milled from aluminum for more positive magazine attachment. Further, the bolt handle and its attachment to the bolt body were ruggedized. These general 2013 upgrades are backwards compatible with older Trg sniper rifles.
Exclusive for the .338 Lapua Magnum chambered TRG-42 model, a new bolt featuring double plunger ejectors was introduced in 2013 to improve the ejection reliability of dimensionally large and heavy .338 Lapua Magnum rifle cases. In 2018, Sako introduced the TRG-22A1 and TRG-42A1 models. The TRG-A1 models have a Sako Trg M10 Sniper weapon system alike stock, featuring an aluminum middle chassis frame, side folding buttstock, and a forend with the M-Lock rail interface system that allows for direct accessory attachment onto negative space, hollow slot, mounting points. The TRG-A1 models do not offer the user-configurable multi-caliber modular system of the Sako Trg M10 Sniper weapon system. The bolts of the TRG-A1 models all feature double plunger ejectors introduced earlier for the .338 Lapua Magnum TRG-42, and the TRG-22A1 model expands the chambering pallet with 6.5 Creedmoor. Sako never totally forgot the target rifle origins of the TRG system. The necessary accessories to attach sighting components such as match-grade peep sights or target aperture sights and a mirage strap are all available. Equipped with these accessories, the TRG can be used for non-military or law enforcement tasks such as 300 MUIT standard rifle competition, CISM competition, or other kinds of full-bore target shooting. The rifle is commonly seen in long-range competition where it has done very well. Besides civilian target shooting, the TRG system can and is sometimes used for hunting. The TRG system's purposive design features: reliability in adverse conditions and consistent accuracy performance. A capable marksman can expect less than or equal to 0.5 MOA consistent accuracy with appropriate ammunition, have made it a popular, though expensive, sniper rifle system. Design details. The TRG system is almost unique in being a purpose-designed sniper rifle, rather than an accurized version of an existing, general-purpose rifle. The sniper rifles can have a matte or manganese phosphatist finish. Features. The heart of the TRG system is a cold hammer-forged receiver and barrel. Both provide maximum strength for minimum weight as well as excellent resistance to wear. The action has a hex-style profile on top with a smaller closed ejection port. Actions with an ejection port make it more difficult to reach in with a finger to discreetly eject brass when desired, but it does allow for additional strength in the action. The resistance-free bolt has 3 massive lugs and requires a 60-degree bolt rotation and a 98 mm, 3.86 in, bolt throw for the short and 118 mm, 4.65 in, bolt throw for the long bolt action. These features should be appreciated by the shooter during multiple firings that require rapid projectile placement on the target. The bolt handle is the appropriate length and sports a large synthetic bulbous knob that provides a firm, positive grip. On top of the receiver, a 17 mm, 0.67 in, integral dovetail rail with shape connection drillings for one or more recoil lugs provides for fixing mounting components to accommodate different types of optical or electro-optical sights. Folding iron sights can be obtained for secondary or emergency use. The receiver's large bedding surface is mated to an aluminium alloy bedding block by 3 screws for maximum stability. This combination ensures an unusually high degree of stability. Ammunition feeding. The detachable box magazine is based upon center feeding for maximum reliability as well as precise positioning of the cartridge into the chamber. Alternatively, cartridges can be loaded singly directly into the chamber. Barrel. The free-floating, heavy, chrome moly barrels. Chrome moly barrels resist throat erosion better, offering a longer accuracy life than stainless steel barrels. For the available cartridge chamberings, all have a different length, groove cutting and rifling twist rate optimized for their respective chambering and intended ammunition. The .260 Remington, .308 Winchester, .300 Winchester Magnum and .338 Lapua Magnum chamberings are available with barrels of common length for sniper rifles and relatively short 510 mm, 20.08 in, long barrels. On special order, TRG sniper rifles can also be supplied with stainless steel barrels. 2 types of flash eliminator / muzzle brakes are available as an accessory, with one being threaded to accommodate a sound suppressor.
For the .260 Remington chambering, a non-traditional 203 mm, 1 in 8 inch, or 31.2 calibers right-hand twist rate optimized to stabilize longer, heavier very low drag bullets was selected over the standard 229 mm, 1 in 9 inch, or 35.2 calibers twist rate. The TRG-22 can be ordered cambered for the .260 Remington cartridge as of May 2011. The introduction of the .260 Remington, 6.5 x 51 mm, chambering does not introduce major technical changes for the TRG system, since the .260 Remington is essentially a neck-down 6.5 mm, .264 in, variant of the .308 Winchester, 7.62 x 51 mm, cartridge, meaning these cartridges can be used in .308 Winchester chambered rifles only, requiring different barrels. The 6.5 Creedmoor chambering has the traditional 203 mm, 1 in 8 inch, or 31.2 calibers right-hand twist rate, shares the relative ease of chambering it in arms designed for .308 Winchester-sized cartridges, though the 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 x 49 mm, maximal overall length is 0.64 mm, 0.025 in, longer compared to the .308 Winchester. For the .308 Winchester chambering, the 280 mm, 1 in 11 inch, or 36.7 calibers right-hand twist rate with 4 grooves was selected over the 305 mm, 1 in 12 inch, or 40 calibers, traditionally found for the .308 Winchester, as a compromise when switching between supersonic and subsonic cartridges. The .300 Winchester Magnum chambering also has a non-traditional 280 mm, 1 in 11 inch, or 36.7 calibers right-hand twist rate. For the .338 Lapua Magnum chambering, a non-traditional 305 mm, 1 in 12 inch, or 36.4 calibers right-hand twist rate was selected to optimize the rifle for firing 16.2 gram, 250 grain, .338 caliber very low drag bullets. As of 2009, .338 Lapua Magnum barrels can also be supplied with a 254 mm, 1 in 10 inch, or 30.3 calibers twist rate optimized to stabilize longer, heavier very low drag bullets like the Sierra HPBT Match King and Lapua Sinar .338 caliber 19.44 gram, 300 grain, bullets. The traditional 254 mm, 1 in 10 inch, has since become the standard twist rate for the .338 Lapua Magnum chambering. Trigger. The two-stage trigger mechanism displays an adjustable trigger pull weight of 1 to 2.5 kilograms, 2 to 5 pounds, and can be adjusted for length, horizontal and vertical pitch. The advantage of these features is to prevent trigger movement in an inappropriate direction that would cause the rifle to move off target. Trigger travel is short with no noticeable over travel. The trigger mechanism can be removed without additional disassembling of the rifle. The firing pin travel is 6.5 mm, 0.26 in. The trigger guard is dimensioned to allow easy access with gloved fingers. Safety. The safety lever is located in front of the trigger inside of the trigger guard and can be operated without producing mechanical noise. The two-position safety locks the trigger mechanism, locks the bolt in closed position and blocks the firing pin. The safety is on when it is in its rearmost position. It is off when it is pushed to its most forward position. When the weapon is cocked, the firing pin protrudes 1.6 mm, 0.06 in, from the rear of the bolt action, making it possible to feel if the weapon is ready to fire or not in poor visibility. Stock. The TRG stock design is, besides sniping requirements, designed to conform to both UIT and CISM regulations. Sako offers black, green, desert tan, or dark earth colored stock variants, and the green, desert tan or dark earth stock variants are 0.2 kilograms, 0.4 pounds, heavier than the black variants. In 2011, Sako also began offering stocks in several styles of digital camouflage. The base of the ergonomic injection molded polyurethane forestock is made of aluminium and encompasses the bedding block, with the bedding block serving as a point of attachment for a bipod. The polyurethane buttstock with its pistol grip and integrated aluminium skeleton to add strength, is designed for right and left-handed shooters. The rear of the buttstock possesses a series of spacer and angle plates to regulate the length of pull and curvature adjustments that can be tailored for the individual shooter. The butt plate is adjustable for both height and pitch. Finally, the cheek piece is adjustable for both height and pitch as well. The stock features two steel sling swivel attachment sockets positioned at the right and left rear sides of the buttstock. Forward sling attachment is achieved by inserting and fixing a metal sling mount into a metal rail which runs under the forestock or forend. This forward sling attachment point can be positioned along the length of the rail for right or left-handed use and is fixed with a screw. The factory carrying/shooting sling itself features quick mountable and detachable metal swivels. The swivels are mounted by pushing them into an attachment socket and detached by pushing integrated buttons in the swivels and pulling them out of the attachment sockets. A folding skeleton type buttstock designed for right and left-handed shooters is also available. The folding stock is 0.5 kilograms, 1.1 pounds, heavier than the non-folding green, desert tan, or dark earth stock variants and is hinged behind the pistol grip. It folds to the left side and locks into position. When folded, the rifle becomes 250 mm, 9.84 in, shorter. The steel parts of the folding stock are manganese phosphatist and the polyurethane parts are colored olive drab or desert tan. The rear of the buttstock is adjustable for length of pull and height. The cheek piece and rear support are also adjustable for height. These adjustment options allow shooters of various sizes and shapes to tailor the TRG folding stock to their personal preferences, which is an uncommon feature for folding stocks. The pistol grip body has a steel loop for a hook-type military sling swivel. Sako Trg folding stock rifles are supplied with a Picatinny rail for mounting aiming optics. The folding stock was later redesigned with the most conspicuous change being a bigger foot with an external lever/hinge support system monopod instead of the vertical moving small spike found on the earlier folding stock. Accessories. Sako accessories for the TRG system includes an auxiliary iron sights for emergency use, a muzzle brake/flash hider, a match sight mounting set, a telescopic sight mounting sets, a Stanag 2324, Picatinny rail, an accessory ITRS tri-rail, top, an accessory rail, bottom, TRG forestock, a night sight adapter, a sound suppressor, a muzzle thread protector, various slings and swivels, cleaning kits, soft case, and a heavy-duty transit case. Several versions of TRG-specific bipods were produced that all lock into an attachment point in the aluminium bedding block at the end of the forestock. The latest bipod version is one of a few rifle bipods that lets the rifle swivel or hang just above its bore axis, offering a more stable shooting position with large and heavy aiming optics mounted. It has a narrower leg angle due to complaints that the previous version interfered with some night vision systems mounted forward of the telescopic sight. Further versions of accessories are the ITRS Tri-Rail NV attachment point with an optional extended aluminium bedding block. This extended bedding block also can feature an optional Stanag 2324 Picatinny rail in the bottom of the block. Variants. TRG 21, 1989. The Sako TRG 21 is designed to chamber the .308 Winchester or 7.62 x 51 mm NATO cartridge. TRG 22, 1999. The Sako TRG 22 is an upgraded and improved variant of the TRG 21 with a new stock design and a maximum cartridge length of 75 mm, 2.95 in. An American Sako vendor also commissioned a special limited production run of the TRG 22 chambered in .260 Remington cartridge. TRG 22A1, 2018. The Sako TRG 22A1 is an upgraded and improved variant of the TRG 22 with a new stock design. TRG 41, 1989. The Sako TRG 41 is designed to chamber either the .338 Lapua Magnum or .300 Winchester Magnum cartridge. TRG 42, 1999. The Sako TRG 42 is an upgraded and improved variant of the TRG 41 with a new stock design and a maximum cartridge length of 95 mm, 3.74 in. Beretta TRG 42. In October 2008, the Beretta TRG 42 was presented by Sako, importer Beretta USA, at the Association of the United States Army, AUSA, annual meeting and exposition as a possible platform for fulfilling the United States military .338 mm caliber precision sniper rifle, PSR, solicitations. It is essentially a TRG 42 with a shorter barrel, a folding stock and an integrated extended rail system. TRG 42A1, 2018. The Sako TRG 42A1 is an upgraded and improved variant of the TRG 42 with a new stock design. TRG M10 derivative. The Sako TRG M10 sniper weapon system was unveiled by Sako in October 2011. It was designed as a user-configurable multi-caliber modular system and does not share its receiver and other technical features with the Sako TRG line. It can switch between .308 Winchester or 7.62 x 51 mm NATO, .300 Winchester Magnum and .338 Lapua Magnum chamberings by changing the bolts, magazines, ferens, and barrels, to adapt to various requirements in the field. When it was first introduced, it was marketed for military and law enforcement only. The TRG M10 does not share its receiver and other technical features with the preceding TRG line. It was entered as a contender for the Precision Sniper Rifle program by the United States Special Operations Command to replace all current bolt-action sniper rifles in use by U.S. Special Operations snipers with a single bolt-action rifle chambered for a large-caliber magnum chambering. The contract was awarded to Remington Arms for their modular sniper rifle, winning against the TRG M10 in 2013. The TRG M10 is a manually operated bolt-action sniper rifle that uses a rotary bolt with 3 radial locking lugs at the front. It features a steel receiver, a Picatinny rail on top of its receiver for mounting various optical sights, and on the stock bottom for bipod mounting. The barrel is a free-floating barrel that can be equipped with special muzzle brakes that have a mounting interface for quick detachable suppressors. It is offered in various barrel lengths of 16, 20, and 26 inch, .308 Winchester or 7.62 x 51 mm NATO, 23.5 and 27 inch, .300 Winchester Magnum, and 20 and 27 inch, .338 Lapua Magnum. Ammunition feeding is by a double-stack detachable box magazine, which are marked with appropriate number of large dots that are embossed into the sides of the polymer baseplate, and that holds 11 rounds, .308 Winchester or 7.62 x 51 mm NATO, 7 rounds, .300 Winchester Magnum, or 8 rounds, .338 Lapua Magnum. Alternatively, cartridges can be singly loaded directly into the chamber. The TRG M10 has a side-folding and fully adjustable buttstock, ambidextrous controls, a manual safety that is located inside the trigger guard which is in front of the trigger, and uniquely designed tactical indicators which helps identify different modular components for different calibers, where every caliber-depending component is specially marked so users can recognize the caliber of each part visually or by touch. For example, for the .308 Winchester barrel and bolt are marked with single annual groove, whereas for the .300 Winchester Magnum are marked with 2 grooves and 3 for the .338 Lapua Magnum. Another unique feature of the rifle is that all of the tools that are necessary to change the caliber are built into each of the bolt handle. The small Torx key is built into the center of the bolt knob and the barrel wrench is integrated into the base of the bolt handle. An additional set of Torx keys are stored inside a small detachable polymer ferend, which are necessary for full disassembly of the gun. Sako states that the TRG M10 factory acceptance tests with high-quality match ammunition has an accuracy of 1 MOA, 0.291 mil, for .338 Lapua Magnum and .300 Winchester Magnum chambered models, and 2/3 MOA, 0.194 mil, for .308 Winchester chambered models. Type sniper rifle. Place of origin Finland. Service history. In service 2000 present. Used by C users. Wars: Afghanistan War, Iraq War. Production history. Designed 1989, TRG 21/41. 1999, TRG 22/42. Manufacturer Sako. Produced 1989-1999, TRG 21/41. 1999 present, TRG 22/42. Variants: see variants. Specifications. Weight 4.7 kilograms, 10.4 pounds, empty, TRG 22 black. 4.9 kilograms, 10.8 pounds, empty, TRG 22 green/tan/dark earth. 5.2 kilograms, 11.5 pounds, empty, TRG 22 fold stock 510 mm barrel. 5.4 kilograms, 11.9 pounds, empty, TRG 22 fold stock 660 mm barrel. 5.1 kilograms, 11.2 pounds, empty, TRG 42 black. 5.3 kilograms, 11.7 pounds, empty, TRG 42 green/tan/dark earth. 5.8 kilograms, 12.8 pounds, empty, TRG 42 fold stock 690 mm barrel. Length 1000 mm, 39.37 in, TRG 22 510 mm barrel. 1150 mm, 45.28 in, TRG 22. 1020 mm, 40.16 in, TRG 42 folded stock 510 mm barrel. 1200 mm, 47.24 in, TRG 42. Barrel length 510 mm, 20.08 in, TRG 22 and TRG 42 folded stock. 660 mm, 25.98 in, TRG 22. 690 mm, 27.17 in, TRG 42. Cartridge .260 Remington, TRG 22. 6.5 Creedmoor, TRG 22A1. .308 Winchester, TRG 21, TRG 22. 7.62 x 51 mm NATO, TRG 21, TRG 22. .300 Winchester Magnum, TRG 41, TRG 42. .338 Lapua Magnum, TRG 41, TRG 42. Action bolt action. Effective firing range 800 m, 875 yd, TRG 22.308 Winchester. 1100 m, 1203 yd, TRG 42.300 Winchester Magnum. 1500 m, 1640 yd, TRG 42.338 Lapua Magnum. Feed system 5-round detachable box magazine, .338 Lapua Magnum. 7-round detachable box magazine, .300 Winchester Magnum. 10-round detachable box magazine, .308 Winchester. Sights aperture rear, with flip-up open tritium night/combat sight, day or night optics.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.